Hello everyone, in this video I will show how you can create a blog section like this one. So after the team member section, I will add another group. Let's click on add after and add a group. Let's rename the group as blog section. I will add a class Jared blog section. This will help us to add styles on our blog. So let's add padding of 4 rem, and then inside the group I will add another group. I will make it wide width. Let's add a class Jared blog main, and inside this group I will add another group. Let's add a heading block. Here I will add the heading read our blog. So I will just copy and paste and make it center aligned. Then by selecting the main group I will add a class Jared blog top. After that I will add the subheading learn new technology. So just copy this and make it center aligned. So our header part is complete. So I will target this header group and increase the block spacing. Let's minimize the group and add another group after that. So in this group we will add all the blog posts. Let's make it wide width. Inside this group I will add latest posts block. By targeting the main group I will add some block spacing. Let's add 4 rem of spacing. If you check the demo, you will see we have thumbnail, title and author. So by selecting the block, I will uh, enable the display author name, and then by selecting the feature image, I will enable display feature image and make the image size to large. So our block structure is ready. Now we need to style this. So I will add a class here, Jared blog posts. You can see the thumbnail images has some border radius. So I will target the class and add some border radius on it. Let's add this on our style sheet. I will add this at the bottom of the general section. So let's add this on editor style as well. So editor style gets same style. So if you now reload, you can see our style added on both front end and back end. Let's add some margin bottom on it. I will add 15 pixel of margin bottom. Let's copy the style and add on our style sheet. After that, I will target the heading and add some style on it. So let's copy the class Jared blog posts. By targeting this class, I will target li then a. By targeting this selector, I will add font size to 1.5 rem. Text decoration none. line height 1. So the heading is looking good. I will just copy the rule and add on our style sheet. I think the heading font weight is high. Let's add font weight 300. And then I will add some hover effect on it. By targeting the same class, I will add hover effect on it. So I will add a placeholder color for now and then I will change it. Let's add the code for now and I will add the variable code for hover color, and you can see the hover is working. After that I will target the author class and then add the font size of 1.5 rem and font weight of 400, margin top 10 pixel, text transform to capitalize. So let's add this code on our style sheet. I will add all these styles on our editor so both backend and frontend looks same. So you can see both style is matching. So I will now check the responsive styles and fix those. In 1024 pixel you can see we need some padding. So I will target the class and add padding of 1 rem. Let's copy the rule and add on our style sheet. So I will add under 1024 pixel, as we are not using this media query, so I will just remove this. So let's add the style here. Next we will check 768 pixel and I think this looking good. Also if I check on 425 pixel, this one also looking good. So this way you can easily create a blog section in blog theme. Thanks for watching.